Hello guys, I'm doing another science experiment. We do tiny bag with Skittles. And we got Skittles, a big plate, and water. Are you ready? Hello guys! So, I'm going to put all the Skittles out with 3, 2, 1.
Where?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, tell me how many Skittles in each group.
Those 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
4 yellow.
Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
5 orange.
3.
3 what?
3.
What color?
3 red and 1 purple
And 2?
and 2 green.
2 green.
Okay, I'm gonna see what's happening next. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. See what's happening. What? The cool came out.
Okay, go ahead, put water in it. Not too much. That's it. Oh. Put too much, I think.
What's going out?
Ooh, look. Wow.
This time the orange looking. Let's put that.
Whoa, don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh, see that? You ruined it.
I see light coming out.
Wow, you see all the colors are going toward the middle part?
Yes.
See? It's close enough.
Well,
It's going to the center.
I want to touch the center.
Don't touch it, you might ruin it.
Here it goes. Hey guys, look, it's closing up. Wait. It's going and going. Yellow, purple, green, red. Look.
Look, do you see? It looks like an eyeball. That's kind of crazy and creepy. Well, look, that one looks like red eyeball.
I want to mix them up.
Okay, let's try it. See what tornado. What's gonna happen? What shapes are you making?
I'm just putting them together.
Wow, that's cool. You can put them together, huh? Look, did you just make a worm? Look at that.
True. Snowman.
Frosty the Snowman. And a big nose. It's just a funny snowman.
Mama, pick it up.
Look at this snowman, Kai.
Hello.